Hi guys, welcome to Tech Team channel. Hope you're doing well. In this video I'll be showing you how you can create a group chat in iPhone. So let's go to settings first. Scroll down till you find message option, this one, messages. Then scroll down and you will find this section like SMS and MMS. Then here is 4 option, but here should be another option named group SMS. Okay, so SMS grouping like this, but I don't have that option because my phone is updated to iOS 16.5 and it has been vanished maybe. But if you are running lower version, then you will find this here. So after find this, turn this on, group SMS, just turn this on. After turning it on, go back to message, this one, message option. Click on this and you will find on top right corner pencil icon, this one. Just click on this and then add your member here, whom you want to add. Like you can tap like this, or you can directly click on this plus icon and go through your contact and add them. Okay, I have added 2% in this group. Now I'm sending hi. After added, you must send a message. If you send a message, your group is created. Okay, so guys, this is how you can create a group chat in iPhone. So guys, if you find this video helpful, then please give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.